In this video, we're going to show you to install the EGR vacuum modulator on your Toyota Camry, located on the backside of your engine. Now on the backside of the intake right here, we have our vacuum modulator. There's going to be a couple vacuum hoses going to this here. So what I want to do is I want to use our hose pliers here, and I'm going to twist these and pull these off. But as I remove these, I'm going to switch them over to the new component, because I don't want to mix anything up here. And then this is held in by a little spring clip. It goes around each side. You're just going to open up the back side and just kind of pop this out. On the bottom side, here's another vacuum hose. Slide this over, pop it into place, grab that other little hose, slide that in, make sure it's secured, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.